Hello guys, my name is Simran and I live in Sudbury. And today we are going to the beach day. Beach day. Yes, I'll introduce everybody.
It's so good.
Shreya, I'm getting ready for beach, excited for beach.
Yay! I'm Smo, I'm ready to go.
Let's go.
My friend here. No introduction needed, but we are going.
We should introduce each other.
The ball. Okay, and this is.
Hello, hi, I'm Ajit. What's up?
Everybody can tell he's the whole one.
Okay.
ये वो वाला
We'll keep you posted. What
He has
we
never
do
even
and
talked to
how we
anybody,
do it.
right?
Today, but it's okay. So that's Smo and Biswas. So we are taking two cars. And they are sitting.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Driver. Show you.
Passenger
Partner. Vlog partner. Okay, so we are in Espanola.
Hello.
Okay, so this is our first stop. We are at Wendy's / Tim Hortons for our breakfast. McDonald's पे हमें कुछ पसंद नहीं आया. So yes, let's see what everybody gets for breakfast. Hi guys, we are eating and guess who found a heart? Of course, Smo. What are you having, Ajit?
Spicy chicken.
Diljit is having Putin. Shoya. Let's go.
फोटोग्राफर खाते हैं फोटो बनाओ वो वेडिंग पे होते हैं ना
The heart shaped chicken nuggets. So breakfast pretty much looked like this. It was good. It was fresh. It was nice. And with everybody, I feel like things just taste better. And here Diljit just, he just changed the phone's position. The next stop was Dollarama. We had to buy some things and yep, here we. अजित को खिलौने दिलाने के लिए हम डॉलरामा लेकर आ रहे हैं.
Fresco, that's not in Sudbury, okay?
No,
We're very
it's in
jealous.
Espanola, but not in Sudbury.
Not in Sudbury.
Yeah, we bought some stuff from Dollarama.
I bought shorts for me.
Let's go. We are ready for the day.
$3.50.
$5.
$5?
Yeah, but it's big, okay? It's huge. It's gonna be big. It's gonna. हम सब बैठ जाएंगे इसके ऊपर.
That's nice.
Yeah,
Good shopping.
good job.
Oh, this.
Okay, so Smo is also here from our shopping, and she also got stuff.
I got bubbles, gum, and then I bought this scarf.
It's so pretty.
And material.
And we are done with our Dollarama run, and now we are going where? We're going Manitoulin. Beach day. Let's go! Yay!
Hi.
So after we were done with the Dollarama run, Smo went back to her car, and we started going to our car, and this lady just stopped us and she was very nice actually, and she started giving us suggestions about these pretty locations nearby that we can also visit.
Viola Bay and it's warm, but you know where the warmest place is? It's an hour away, but it's in Elliott Lake.
You know what? Back in the car, another 1 hour drive, we'll be just chilling. अखियाँ बिछाई मैंने तेरे लिए, दुनिया बुलाई मैंने तेरे लिए, जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए, छोड़ दी खुदाई मैंने तेरे लिए, जन्नत सजाई मैंने तेरे लिए, छोड़ दी खुदाई. वो तेरे लिए वादा है मेरा, मैं हूँ तेरे लिए, होना कभी तू जुदा तेरे लिए. So yeah, we just blasted music all the way. It was a beautiful day, beautiful drive. We had like these amazing views. There were so many lakes on the way, and these are just like small clips from everywhere, so just enjoy. And then time to pass karna tha, I just started doing these DIY hairstyles. Okay, I'll just make a hairband of this ribbon and yeah, here I am. actually turned out okay. Like, not bad. I liked it. See? Look who is in front of us. Smooth and Biswas. Like you guys can see, Smooth के प्यारे प्यारे हाथ गाड़ी से बाहर निकलते हुए, enjoying the wind and the warmth.
World Cup winner. That's kind of
Argentina World Cup winner.
सबसे corrupt है.
They won like couple
FIFA is fucking corrupt, bro.
star होता है ना, like कितना सारा.
Okay, let's see.
5 I think.
Once everybody was done grabbing there and my stuff clearly because I was not doing anything, we started walking towards the beach. Let's go. And we are at the beach. At the beach.
If we tried it, we can make
They're
it.
going back and forth.
Don't we ever
यहाँ पे रखने का क्या ही problem है?
chances?
फिर ऊपर क्या होगा?
Stop you thinking and start you living. Get your shoes on.
Get naked.
Go naked.
Then take a shower in that.
Living problems
Costco या
we
market
can
place
solve.
Whoever wants to go deep into the water, be careful. Take a
I know
this
you've
thing like
gone.
jacket if you want to, please, and thank you.
There's no hurry.
Hey,
My lights calling. In the van we're driving through Austin.
I'll go to that rich person.
This feels like time's making fun of me. Looking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity.
The water was refreshing and cold. We were in water for hours, enjoying the water, the sun, and having the best time. Ajit brought his kayak. Thanks to him, we all got a chance to kayak, and this is Smooth having fun. And she's looking so pretty as always. And there I see Shoyo, Ajit, and Diljit having the best time of life on Shoyo's floaty that we just got yesterday from Dollarama, and it works, guys. It works. You can clearly see the excitement in my voice in the background.
is working. Let's go.
How to train your target?
It's like you're all chilling, okay?
Perfect. This is so pretty. It's like type B people, type A people, type C people.
Then some type people.
Gire. Ooh, look at that. Simran is very strong. Ajit, come.
जिंदगी
अब तुम ही हो चैन मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी
अब तुम ही हो डूब गया सी बाबा गया सी ओ तो डीप एंड बाबा गया सी बाबा on jet
I have all the videos here. I think okay, Simu yelling everything. Yeah, okay. Everything. Video here.
We played a few more games. I went kayaking. The water was so clean. Oh my god. And then I was outside. Shoyo and Diljit also went kayaking. And this is them swapping. Shoyo was back.
back.
And
How
this
you
is Shoyo's
feel?
reaction.
Takes a lot of force, okay? उसमें पानी में तो उसने so we like no, I'll come out and I'll eat.
Yes. Soon after this, Ajit was
feel?
back.
Amazing. Amazing. Gorgeous. Look at this.
out of the water. It was so good.
So good.
अब हम कपड़े चेंज करेंगे.
Shower later. We're very sandy.
This was us right after drying ourselves and changing our clothes, getting ready, like ready together. I feel like just doing things together makes them more fun. Like simple things in life, like just putting on makeup together. It's just way more fun and amazing when you do it with somebody you actually love. And yeah, we just got ready, clicked a lot of pictures, decided on a place to sit after that, and then we sat and enjoyed food, which you guys will be seeing in further clips. So this was the pretty bench that I was talking about. We all sat here, and here we go. Everybody just sitting and talking. This is me joining. I don't know, I look like that from the back, but yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we're just sitting and talking random stuff. Ajit was busy putting his kayak back on the car, and yep.
Try another, but I know you've got one move. There's no hurry, the linelight's calling. In the van we're driving to
We're recording that?
Yeah.
Watermelon! Watermelon!
I used to watch Shinchan. He used to eat like ऐसे है ना टेढ़ा.
Cartoon में तो ऐसे.
And then they used to like spit.
Enjoyed this peaceful afternoon, laughing, talking, and eating watermelon. Best time. It felt like that the time slowed down for us, and it just felt so peaceful and amazing.
Your band's behind you, crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better when they love you.
Right after this, we went to this famous fish and chips place in the town, and we were just sitting and chilling and waiting for our food. After that, we just headed back home. I didn't record anything, and we were just so tired. Hey guys, we are back home.
Energy levels.
Back.
This is me before the trip.
Sleepy.
This is me after the trip.
Very sleepy, and that's the dude.
Hi. मुझे पता नहीं वो
I sign
We'll
out.
do that. No, we'll do Wonderland and then like say the place that we got right was very next to Wonderland. Very nearby.
Great day, and it was very nice.
Where we stayed for